Yo, what's up guys, this is Eizy from RZ Easy Customizer and I'm back for another video. But this time I'm going to show you guys my current custom build. This is the Unit 03 or the Unit 3, the Clarion. Well, this is the destroyer mode. It is a helicopter inspired from the Transformer Drift, the Autobots, and also the design is actually comes from the Halo game. If you guys remember the vehicle, the flight type or the helicopter in the game, well, this is getting inspiration from the game too. Well, the first two design was this one. This is the first one, and this is the second design, and this one is the third one. I didn't take the video review for the first two. I start with the third design here. Well, as you guys can see, it has a single blades here, and yeah, this is the side view, the upper view, the front view, and at the bottom here, and the back view. Well, actually, yeah, as I say, this is a transformable. So as you can see, this is the hand of the mag, and the head is actually hiding inside these parts here. And we have the man body part here, and we have the legs. And at the front here, there's a weapon, and also we have this piece here. And at the side here, we have this weapon too, to the side. And the blades, well, the blades are actually, these are swords. They're supposed to be the weapons for the mech. And we have the bottom here. We have all the hinges and all the joints needed for the transformation. And the back here, we have the booster here. Well, for the parts, as I can remember, the main body part is actually comes from the Lightning Zeta. And we have these legs here. This is from the Gundam Kimari's booster that I have, and also I have this part also from the Zeta one. And we have the Kotobukiya here, and also I'm using the Kotobukiya joint here too. There's a 1, 2, and the 3. These are from the Kotobukiya kits, and this part is from, if not mistaken, this is from the Iron-Blooded Orphan. The I can't remember the kit, but I got this from the Iron-Blooded Orphan. We have the shield here, and we have this part from the Barbatos, and the weapon set from the Build Fighter series, and the joint from the Golden Arms, and this is from the Build Fighter series too, and that's it. The rest I'm not really sure the kits, but yeah, as I can remember. So let me just show you the transformation. Well, we should start with this piece here. So this thing can go up like that. Then remove this part here. At the back here, there's a lock mechanism that I made using the spare runners. So you can simply remove that part, revealing the legs here. And also, maybe I should remove this piece first. Well, we start from the bottom part, and just take this one off, and then we have the legs here, and this piece here become the side binder. I'm revealing the fit here. This is actually the high heel design, so same goes with the other one here. Go. So we have the bottom part, and then attach back this piece here at the back here, like that. Here we go. This is supposed to be the main weapon later, but let me just show you the transformation first. All the upper part, well, the head is currently in design, so this is, I got this from the I can't remember the kit name. This is from the Build Fighter series, and twist this one. You have the arm right here, another one here. There we go. Oops. And then the backpack is simply, let me just pull this one down like that. Then put this back in, like so. And this piece here, this actually can make something like this. So yeah, a very simple transformation. So I'm still thinking how to make these blades folding very nicely. So I'm still working on that. I just make a star better like that one. Well, this is the first design of the Mac. Still working on that. There we go. So we have the hands, we have the legs and everything all in place. As far as this looking pretty weird, but actually I'm still looking for the right part to slot this thing so it doesn't look like one piece of part in the middle here. I'm still working on that, and so the rest are, well, and also this shoulder here, I'm still looking for the right part to make shoulder. And this backpack here is pretty big, but actually I really want a big backpack. Maybe I just can put another weapon at the back here, missile launchers or anything, or turn this thing here into a shield maybe, and let the kid holding the blades. Well, this is still in work in progress, so there's a lot of things to do but the more important is I got my first design, so I can net up and I can customize the other parts or the other things to add later on. So that's it for the first review of this first design of Clarion, the Glaive Unit 3. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time.
That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, RZ Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on RZ Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.